touch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still yours.
Welcome to Normanville in South Australia. We have another beautiful location for a barbecue. Today we are going to cook some Mexican pork and pineapple tacos. Let's get straight into it. Today we are cooking on the Jumbo Joe using our all-natural lump charcoal. So we're getting beautiful smoky aromas on our pork. It's going to be unreal. But first I'm going to start by making a marinade for our pork. Our first ingredient is Chipotle chilies. You can find these in the Mexican aisle in any major supermarket. We're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons straight into our bowl. And this also has all that amazing smoky, hot chili flavor. Next ingredient is some ground cumin. Pop that straight in. And again, extra smoky flavors. We have some smoked paprika. We're layering up the flavors here. You've got savory, smoky, spicy. As with any marinade, you need some oil. So in goes some olive oil and then salt and pepper. And then give that a quick mix around. Now the cut of meat that I'm using for these tacos is pork scotch. I love this scotch because it's got that extra fat and flavor, which is delicious. You could use any pork steaks like pork loin if you like. So if you're wanting to head out and about like we are today, you could even prepare these at home, pop them in a Ziploc bag, and then bring them down to the beach for a barbecue. But I'm just whipping it up here today. That's it, our marinade is done. I'm going to fire up the Jumbo Joe. While our charcoal's lighting, I'm going to make up a quick, delicious Chipotle mayo. All we need is some Japanese mayonnaise. All I'm doing to this mayo is adding some of our Chipotle chilies that we used in the marinade, putting a big spoonful in there, and then giving it a quick mix around. I also have some tin pineapple here we're going to grill on the barbecue. By all means, use a fresh pineapple, but we're out in nature, camping. It is so much easier to bring a tin. So I'm just going to drain this off so we have some beautiful slices to add to the cooking grill. The charcoal is looking amazing. It's time to get our cooking grill on, and then we'll let it preheat for 5 minutes. Our barbecue is preheated. We're going to give it a quick brush down, and now we're ready to get cooking. Now that our barbecue is nice and hot, I'm going to add our pork straight on over the fire. Our fire's not too hot, it's more of a medium heat, so you get a nice grill, nice caramelization, and the pork will cook the whole way through. And these will take about 4 minutes aside. Most important bit, putting the lid on the barbecue. Again, keeping that flavor, keeping all that warmth. Always cook with the lid down. I reckon it's time to flip these bad boys. Oh my gosh, look at that incredible flavor caramelizing on that pork. These are going to be sensational. I think our pork is ready to come off. It looks so juicy and incredible. Seriously, nothing beats cooking over charcoal, especially in a beautiful location like this. Doesn't get any better. Now, while our pork is resting, we'll just pop that aside. We're going to grill our pineapple for about 2 minutes aside. And I've got some lime halves I'm going to throw on there too. I think our pineapple and lime are ready to come off. This pineapple looks so incredible. They're going to be nice and sweet. So much flavor from that charcoal. Now all that's left to do is heat up our tortillas. We can slice our pork and then assemble our tacos. It's so important to perfectly cook your pork. If you overcook it, it's going to be dry and not very nice. But just 4 minutes aside, and this is so juicy and succulent. It's going to be amazing.
All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround.
sweet pineapple, the spicy smoky pork, all the flavors of the fresh ingredients. Make them yourself, customize it however you like, but most importantly, get away in weather.
Feel you